What's up, Tech Gang? Stefan here from TechRight. Today I'm going to be answering a bunch of different questions that you guys left in the comment section about the N200 5G. Stay tuned. Alright everyone, hopefully you guys are having a good day. Hopefully everyone is in good health out there. We have the N200 5G right here, and we have a few questions that subscribers have asked, and I'm going to be shouting out all the people that have asked these questions. So let's get into it. First and foremost, starting off with Christina Harrison, and she asks, how are the speakers? Are they loud? And I have to say, this is one of the loudest speakers I've ever heard on a mono device. So this device does not have stereo speakers. This is a mono speaker, and I'm about to pull up a little non-copyright sound video so you guys can go ahead and hear this, and I'll point it towards the mic. But yes, the speaker on this device, very loud, very clear, and I was honestly super surprised how decent it was. Extremely loud speaker on this device, and I was really excited that we had this on here, and you guys are definitely going to enjoy this as well. Next question comes from Madman, and he asks, anyone know the upgrade cost for existing customers? So the upgrade cost is about $229, but I'm gonna have my boy over here, CJ Brown, a huge supporter of the channel, answer that question for you guys right now. So CJ Brown says that depends on how tight you are with your local metro. Definitely does. And says he's been a loyal customer for 8 years going to the same location, so instead of $229, they do it for $115 plus $25 for the SIM plus $60 for the first month activation. And he says it's also the same monthly fee prices regardless of 5G or 4G LTE. So huge shout out to CJ right there. Thanks for helping me out. If you are tight with your Metro by T-Mobile, I know I'm tight with a few of them. I've been shopping at a few Metro by T-Mobiles for a few years now. So if you're cool with some of the people over there, I'm sure you can get a discount like this. But as it stands right now, the upgrade fee is $229. Next question comes from Zal Mam, and they ask, what is the best operating system? What do I think? So as far as the best operating system, honestly, I fell in love with OnePlus's Oxygen operating system. This is running Oxygen 11, and we're going to be talking about this later in this video as well. This is not the last time we're going to talk about it, but I've absolutely fallen in love with all of the tools we have on here. Honestly, just super practical uses, very clean, very close to stock Android. And to be honest, when I use Motorola devices, I don't really use too many Moto actions. I feel like I use 2 or 3 of them. The twist to open the camera, the chop to open the flashlight, and you know, Motorola has I think it's been dethroned, to be quite honest. I'm really messing with OnePlus, and I haven't messed with too many OnePlus devices, and I'm super happy they're breaking into the budget game, and this is definitely a good device to start that out. Next question was from Rashad Lawson, and they asked, I wonder, can it run Stadia application because my LG 4G LTE isn't running like I thought it would be, so I'll just upgrade to 5G. So yeah, this can absolutely run the Stadia application. You guys can get connected to all of the favorite games you guys know and love, PUBG and all of that. So yes, this is going to run this fine. And you guys shouldn't have any issues with that. Next question comes with Grim Plays. Can it run Roblox? Absolutely. So this has ran multiple different games. We have Call of Duty Mobile right here, and this ran this perfectly. Graphics looked insane as well, and if you guys want to see my game review, I'll leave that in the comment section and the description down below. Really did enjoy my experience with the gaming on this device so far. This can absolutely run Roblox though. We've ran PUBG, we've ran Mortal Kombat on this device, and we've also ran Call of Duty Mobile. All of those games, which I feel like are way more graphic intense than some Roblox. So yeah, you can absolutely run some Roblox on here. I was running that on the LG Stylo 4 back in the day, so you can definitely run on here and way better as well. And the next question comes from George Salcedo, and they ask, where are the COD Mobile settings set at the highest? Just wondering, my crappy Samsung A32 5G can hardly play COD even at the lowest settings. So I'm going to show you guys right now what settings I'm actually running Call of Duty Mobile at as far as the graphics go. So we'll see in a second. Alright George, so as far as the graphics go, they are going to be set to high as far as the graphic quality and the frame rate as well. But we can actually set the graphic quality to very high as well as the frame rate to very high. So if you guys want to go ahead and do so, you can do that as well. Or you can actually set it to max. And that's going to give you the best quality as far as gaming goes. And this phone's just a beast so far, honestly. Graphics look beautiful, as you guys can see. Game is running beautifully as well. Let's go ahead and try to get elimination right now. Let's get back into them speakers as well, man. There we go. Look at that. Look how good these graphics look. Look how smoothly this is running. Wow. Look at this. Look at that. We're playing multiplayer on here. So yes, this is absolutely running perfectly on the highest graphic settings. So beautiful stuff right there. Moving on, we got a question from TF Gamer, and they asked, should I upgrade from my Galaxy S8 to the N200 5G? To be quite honest, this is running the latest software as far as the operating system runs, and Android as well. So if you want to upgrade, this probably would run better just because of that. But if you are used to flagship devices, I would definitely go from the S8 to something like the Galaxy S20 FE. That isn't going to cost you like $1,200 and can still give you the performance that you're used to on a flagship device. And our last question right here, Despacito 2 asks, they change everything from the N100, or did it stay the same but a few new features? Now, they pretty much changed most of the things on this phone. So the N200 has 5G, the N100 does not. Obviously, that's a huge change in itself. It also has a full HD display, and the N100 only had a 720p display. This also has the Snapdragon 485G chip in it, and it works beautifully in unison with the battery. And the N100 only had the Snapdragon 460. This also has Oxygen OS 11 that gives you a few new cool features that are absolutely worth it. And you get Oxygen OS 11 out of the box, and the N100 only has 10.5. And as far as the GPU and CPU, those are upgraded as well. I believe the N100 had the Adreno 610, and this device actually has the Adreno 619, the same thing that we got on the $400 Moto G Stylus 5G. So really beautiful stuff so far. So yeah, guys, hopefully I did answer all of your questions. Shout out to everybody that left a question. Not sure if you guys thought you were going to be in a video today, but hopefully you guys did appreciate that. And I appreciate all the subscribers out there leaving comments, leaving those likes out there. If you guys do have any questions, definitely leave them below this video. But if you did enjoy this video, please leave a like down below, as well as subscribing if you're not part of this Tech Gang already. Also hit the notification bell if you guys want to be notified every time I do upload a new video. This has been Stefan from TechRight. Peace out, Tech Gang.